friends, I'm Shaurya. I'm back with another video. Today, I will tell you about the largest cricket stadiums around the world. Number 10. Dockland Stadium, also known by naming rights sponsorship as Marvel Stadium, is a multi-purpose glazed oval sports and entertainment stadium in the Docklands area of Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Construction started in October 1997 and was completed in 2000 at a cost of Australian dollars 460 million. The stadium features a retractable roof and the ground level seating can be converted from oval to rectangular configuration. Number 9. Adelaide Oval, built in 1871, is a sports ground in Adelaide, South Australia, located in the parklands between the city centre and North Adelaide. The venue is predominantly used for cricket and Australian rules football, but has also played host to rugby league, rugby union, soccer, tennis, among other sports, as well as regularly being used to hold concerts. Number 8. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, built in 1982, has hosted two one-day international matches featuring India against Australia in 1984, which incidentally was the first day and night one-day international in India, and South Africa in 1991. Again, the fixture being a day and night one, also being the second ever day and night cricket match in India. Batsman Kepler Wissels played in both the matches but for different countries and scored 107 for Australia and 90 for South Africa. A special feature of the ground was the running track being used as a part of the cricket playing area, which the ICC playing regulations eventually discontinued, and thus the stadium was felt no longer suitable for cricket. Number 7. The Sports Hub Trivandrum, built in 2015, commonly known as the Greenfield International Cricket Stadium, was formerly known as Trivandrum International Stadium, is a multi-purpose stadium in Kerala used mainly for association football and cricket. The stadium is located at Kaveri Vattam in Thiruvananthapuram city, Kerala, India. It was built on 36 acres of land leased by the Kerala University for Rs 94 lakhs per year for a period of 15 years. It is India's first DBOT model outdoor stadium. The Greenfield Stadium became India's 50th international cricket venue on 7th November 2017 when it hosted a T20 against New Zealand. On 1st November 2018, the venue hosted its first ODI. Number 6. Perth Stadium, built in 2018, also known by naming rights sponsorship as Optus Stadium, is a multi-purpose stadium in Perth, Western Australia, located in the suburb of Burswood. It was completed in late 2017 and officially opened on 21st January 2018. The stadium has a capacity of over 60,000 people, making it the third largest stadium in Australia after the Melbourne Cricket Ground and Stadium Australia. The stadium can extend up to 65,000 seats for rectangular sports. Perth Stadium is primarily used for Australian rules football and cricket. Perth's two Australian football leagues, AFL teams, the Fremantle Football Club and the West Coast Eagles, relocated their home game for Subiaco Oval to Perth Stadium, while the Perth Scorchers play their Big Bash League home games at the venue, having previously played the WACA ground. Perth Stadium was built by a consortium led by Multiplex. The announcement of the Burswood location in June 2011 followed a series of earlier proposals for the stadium, including locations in Subiaco and East Perth. Number 5. The Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium, which was built in 2003, is the principal cricket stadium in Hyderabad, Telangana, India, and is the home ground of the Hyderabad Cricket Association. It is located in Uppal, an east suburb of the city. It has a capacity of 55,000 and extends across 16 acres of land. The ends are named Pavilion End and North End. On the retirement of VVS Lakshman, the HCA decided to honor the state hero by naming the North End after him. As of 3rd March 2019, it has hosted 5 Tests, 6 ODIs and 2 T20Is. This stadium hosted the opener and the final of 2017 Indian Premier League. It was also selected to host the final of 2019 Indian Premier League. In IPL 2019, Hyderabad Cricket Association won the award for the best ground and pitch. Number 4. The Shahid Veer Narayan Singh International Cricket Stadium or Naya Raipur International Cricket Stadium is a cricket field in the city of Naya Raipur, Chhattisgarh, India. It is the 3rd largest cricket stadium in India and the 4th largest cricket stadium in the world. The stadium has a seating capacity of 65,000 approx. Inaugurated in 2008, this ground hosted its first ever match in 2010. Even the Canada national cricket team arrived in India and played a practice match against the Chhattisgarh state team. In 2013, the stadium was declared as a second home venue for the Delhi Daredevils in the Indian Premier League and has since hosted many of the team's matches. The stadium is named after Veer Narayan Singh Binjwar, a landlord from Sonakhan, who spearheaded the 1857 War Indian independence in Chhattisgarh. Number 3. 1864. The Eden Gardens is a cricket and football multi-purpose ground in Kolkata, India. It was established in 1864. It is the oldest cricket stadium in India. It will be the home ground of East Bengal FC in ISL Season 7, 2020-2021. It is the oldest and the second largest cricket stadium in India after the newly built Sardar Patel Stadium and third in the world after Sardar Patel Stadium and Melbourne Cricket Ground. It is the home venue of the Bengal cricket team and the IPL franchise cricket team Kolkata Knight Riders and is also a venue for Test, ODI and T20 matches of the India national cricket team. The stadium currently has a capacity of 80,000. On 22nd November 2019, the venue hosted the first ever day and night test match in India during second test between India and Bangladesh. Number 2. The Melbourne Cricket Ground, MCG, also known simply as the G, is an Australian sports stadium located in Yarra Park, Melbourne, Victoria. Founded and managed by the Melbourne Cricket Club, is the largest cricket stadium in Southern Hemisphere, the 11th largest globally, and the second largest cricket ground by capacity after Mortara Stadium. The MCG is within walking distance of the city centre and is served by Richmond and Jolimont railway stations, as well as the Route 70 tram. It is adjacent to the Melbourne Park and is part of the Melbourne Sports and Entertainment Precinct. Number 1. 2020. The Sardar Patel Stadium, commonly known as Motera Stadium, is a cricket stadium in Ahmedabad, India. As of 2020, it is the largest cricket stadium in the world and the second largest stadium overall. With a seating capacity of 110,000 spectators, owned by the Gujarat Cricket Association, it is a regular venue for Test, ODI, and T20 matches. The stadium was constructed in 1983 and underwent its first renovation ahead of the ICC Champions Trophy in 2006. It became the regular venue of international matches in the city. In 2015, the stadium was closed and demolished, and a complete reconstruction was done by 2020 with an estimated cost of 800 crore US dollars 110 million, increasing the capacity to 110,000. The stadium hosted the opening of the Namaste Trump meeting of US President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 24th February 2020. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.